Welcome back, Tom. Some weather vocabulary that I've never heard before.
And it's said 10 times over, or 10 different ways on the internet.
I'm going to try it. Crepuscular rays.
You're close. Let's go to Max 1 here, and this is Greg Pond, Munising here. You notice the rays there from the sunlight? Peeking on through the clouds, those are crepuscular rays. And Greg Pond captured that on Sunday morning at his place in Munising. Thank you, Greg, for always letting me share your photos to the 906 Weather Watchers page and here on my UP News. Now, on the weather side today, clouds off in the distance at Sandra Updike's place at Tamarack Lake. We did have some clouds, some rain showers in the western UP earlier on this afternoon and also into the evening hours, but still definitely looking a little bit cooler out there and a little bit more fall-like. Thank you, Sandra, for sending this in. And then, you know, Andrew, looks like there's plenty of room there on the bird feeder, but these two blue jays are just fighting for one spot there.
Kind of reminds me of me and Skylar.
But there's room there.
There's room for both of us.
There's rooms for both of us in the news, both of you guys in the newsroom. Well, that's a good joke there. But Kevin Dunham, thank you as always for sending in your awesome nature photos, weather photos, and also your Northern Lights photos into our 906 Weather Watchers page. If you'd like to join our 906 Weather Watchers page on Facebook, feel free to join. We're at 2,000 members now. Thank you, fellow Upers, for joining the 906 Weather Watchers page, and we're going to continue to grow the page. All right, here's what's up with the weather. Main weather story that we're all feeling is the cooler October temperatures, and it is going to go from cool to even chilly to cold for your Tuesday night. Wednesday morning, we're looking for frost and freeze conditions as you go inland, and for vegetation and plant interest, this could be a killing freeze early Wednesday morning, but by the end of the week, temperatures return above average. Let's talk wind, because we're going to have a dry cold front move through here tomorrow afternoon. Behind the cold front, wind is going to pick up the pace here, and we're looking at some wind speeds, or excuse me, wind gusts that could be anywhere between 30 and 40 miles per hour in the eastern UP, near Lake Superior, and perhaps in the Keweenaw Peninsula. Marquette's extended forecast, 60 degrees. As we get to your Tuesday, the wind picks up the pace in the afternoon, a little bit cooler on Wednesday. Keep in mind, Wednesday morning, frost is possible away from the Lake Superior shoreline, and there could be a killing freeze inland west of Marquette. Back into the 60s we go for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Rain showers can't be ruled out Thursday night on into Friday. Weather where you live, Munising 60 degrees for your Tuesday. Newberry in the eastern UP 63. For Escanaba and Manistee, temperatures Tuesday around 60 or the 60s. A little bit cooler Wednesday and Thursday. And then for Houghton and the Keweenaw Peninsula, we got 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday back into the 60s, and along the Michigan-Wisconsin border, temperatures will be around 60 or the 60s the next 5 days.